Respected Sir, Ma'am, myself Navita Dhaka, research scholar pursuing PhD under the supervision of Dr. Meenakshi Hooda, Department of Mathematics from MDU, Rohtak. Our research paper title is A Novel RGB Image Steganography Algorithm Using Type 1 Fuzzy Logic in the Indonesian Journal of the Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. We, we introduce the abstract of our research paper. In purpose of this research paper to define a new algorithm. Traditional method often struggle with balancing simplicity, effectiveness, and payload capacity while maintaining imperceptibility. In this paper, we proposed algorithm MSH RGBT1 algorithm, which based on the Mamdani fuzzy type 1 logic and with the least significant bit method. The LSB method is chosen for its simplicity and effectiveness in the hiding message. Finding of our research paper, the algorithm performance is evaluating using metrics like peak signal to noise ratio, mean square error, and histogram analysis to measure the similarity between the cover and the stego image, quantify the level of the imperceptibility. Experimental analysis demonstrate that this algorithm improved the payload capacity, enhanced security, and reduced imperceptibility compared to many existing methods. We conclude algorithm effectively balance simplicity, payload capacity, and image quality, making it better used for image steganography. First, we introduce in the modern world due to increasing development in the communication and internet technology, transmitting confidential information securely present a significant challenge in before transmission over the public channel. Confidential information is well defined and formatted. There are mainly three techniques: steganography, cryptography, and watermarking. Steganography and cryptography are two major branches of the information security. Compared to the cryptography, steganography is considered more secure method. Steganos obtained from the two Greek words stegno plus graphia, which means covered plus writing. Cryptography can change the version of a message, such as converted a text into the binary form, which can be decrypted by the intent and recipient only. Steganography is an art and the science of the data in such a way that only sender and receiver can extract the information. Steganography using audio, image, text, and video file mainly, which are referred to as the stego object and are used to embed the and transfer secret data. Edge detection techniques are used to extract information about the image, such as shape, area, and color intensity, which play an important role in the steganography to select the area for embedding the secret message. Edge detection is an essential tool in the field of the digital image processing. Image steganography primarily have three main basic requirements: payload capacity, imperceptibility, and similarity index. Payload capacity refers to the number of the secret message bit that can be hidden in the cover image without causing noticeable distortion. Imperceptibility is measured by the evaluation parameters such as PSNR and MSE. The similarity index is represented by histogram of the cover and stego image, which shows the frequency of the pixel in 10 sites. These are the literature survey during this research paper. Recently, a new image steganography technique have been proposed for embedding the secret data in the digital image. This technique is based on the fuzzy edge detector and LSB method. The LSB and MSB method for embedding the secret message have been discussed by the Al Falyadi et al. Motivated by the work done in this field, the present research proposed algorithm based on the fuzzy set and LSB method, which satisfy all three basic requirement of the image steganography to improve security. As pixels are used to hide the secret data, a fuzzy type 1 system to employ to find more edge pixel than the traditional edge operator to increase the embedding capacity. For similarity index, the LSB method is used to hide the secret message of the cover image rather in the stego image, which is identical to the cover image. This paper is organized as the following section. In section 2, we propose MSH algorithm to embed and extract the secret data from the RGB image based on the fuzzy type 1 and LSB method. Section 3 cover the LSB method and fuzzy type inference system. In section 4, we analyze the similarity and quality between the stego and the cover images. Also show a comparative analysis between the total number of edge pixels obtained from the MSH RGB algorithm and traditional operator like Previtt, Sobel, Canny and log operator. And the last section 5 conclude the paper. In this section, we propose MSH T1 embedding and extracting algorithm that combine the simplicity of the LSB method with robustness on the type 1 Mamdani fuzzy inference system to embed and extract the secret message in RGB images. In table 1 represented the embedding process, which start with the reading the cover image and extracting the pixel intensity for the red, green and blue channel separately. A mask is applied for each channel and difference between the neighboring pixel in both horizontal and vertical direction are calculated. A fuzzy inference system is then created and initialized with input and output variable and fuzzy rule are defined to capture the relation between the input and output. The image undergo fuzzification and defuzzification gives the fuzzy edge out, which help to identify the pixel. In embedding algorithm, we take input as the RGB cover image and secret message and find the output is the RGB stego image. First step, we read the cover image. In second step, we extract the pixel intensity of the cover image of the all three channels separately. Then masking the cover image for each channel. After the masking, we find the difference of the horizontal and vertical difference for each channel separately. Now we apply the fuzzy inference system and initialize the input and output variables such as the horizontal and vertical direction and differences. The rules of the fuzzy inference system: after fuzzification to the image data and defuzzification to intermediate result and obtain the fuzzy output. After detecting the fuzzy edge, use the LSB and XOR method to hide the secret message with edge pixel of the cover image, fuzzy edge out and obtain the stego image. In table 2 represented the MSH RGB T1 extracting algorithm. In the extraction process, the stego image is read and pixel intensity value of the three channels are extracted. The difference between the neighboring pixel and are calculated. Again, fuzzy inference is worked with the same as input and output variable and apply the same fuzzy rule. The data undergo fuzzification and defuzzification to regenerate the fuzzy edge out. The secret message is finally extracted from the stego image and using the fuzzy inference method based on the fuzzy edge output. This approach ensures a high level of the security and imperceptibility, making it difficult for the human eye to find the difference between the stego and the cover image. In our research paper, the proposed algorithm based on the fuzzy inference system and LSB method. So we define two methodology. One is the LSB method and second is the fuzzy inference. In this section, we define the LSB method and fuzzy inference method. LSB method is simple method for hiding the secret message. The technique involves embedding the confidential message within image list significant bit. LSB method make it easy to hide the secret data and implementation process becomes straightforward. In this method, message bits are hidden. Message bits are hidden in many last significant bits. We introduce the fuzzy inference system. Lofty Jadek first introduced the concept of the fuzzy inference in the 20th century. Fuzzy set theory is a mathematical model that addresses problems related to uncertainty and imprecision in the data. In our research paper, we find the fuzzy inference system to find the fuzzy edge out. Fuzzy edge out is used to hide the secret data in the images. Figure 1 depicts the input and output variable initialized over the fuzzy inference system for edge detection. Type input 1 represents the difference between the horizontal pixel level at the pixel difference pixel column wise, and input 2 represent the difference between pixel vertically labeled as the difference pixel row wise. Two membership function low and high associated with each input variable, which triangular membership function which define the degree of the membership of the different input values. In this we introduce the example of the MSH as RGB T1 algorithm. To explain this algorithm, in first step let us take a sample block of the Linus image which size 256 cross 256 pixel. Separate different color intensity red, green, blue in the three different matrix DR, where R is 1, 2, 3. All pixel intensity for the range 0 to 55. Figure 2 shows the intensity value for all three red, green, and blue of the sample block. DRXY represent the intensity value of the X row and Yth column of the Rth channel, where X and Y lie between the value 1 to 1 to 56. Let us take the intensity value given below the red channel as example. In the D123 is equal to 174, 124, 146, and 1 last D133 is 134. For mask, in step 2 we apply the masking for bits in with the formula integer 16 DRXY by 4 into 4. Now the mask image pixel are obtained. In step 3, after masking, we calculate the horizontal difference between the adjacent row of the image using this formula, and we obtain the horizontal difference. Calculate the vertical difference between the adjacent column of the mask image using this formula and obtain vertical difference horizontal column pixel. We calculated both differences. We give two input which are used in the fuzzy inference system. Taken as these difference is input and using this equation fourth we find the fuzzification input. In the low, triangular membership function is initialized with the vector parameter. With the high, triangular membership is initialized with vector parameter. On evaluating trimap membership function, we get degree of the membership function for horizontal and vertical. We define four rules and getting the if the horizontal difference is low and vertical difference both is low, then fuzzy out is high white. Rule second, if horizontal difference is low and vertical difference is high, then fuzzy edge out is gray. For rule third, we horizontal difference is high and vertical difference is low, then fuzzy edge out is gray. And last fourth rule is if the horizontal is high and vertical difference is high, then fuzzy edge out is black. Applying these, firing these all four rule, we obtain the fuzzy operation. And not take the minimum of these value and get. In the fuzzy inference, decisions are made by the evaluating all rule. The rule output must be combined in the same manner. Aggregation refer to merging of the fuzzy set representing each rule input in a singular fuzzy set. A result of the aggregation process, a single fuzzy set is produced each output value. The diffusification process take the aggregate fuzzy output set as input, producing a single crisp value as output. We have used the center of the sum method for diffusification, which return the center of the area under the aggregated fuzzy set. According to the center of sum, we get the fuzzy edge output. For embedding process, let us take the secret message in the binary form and hide one of the message bit in the identify as pixel. Srj is equal to G using equation 6 where Grij marked as pixel message bit is secreted to embed and Srj is the corresponding stego pixel. Finally, we get the receiver a stego image containing the secret data and showing the sample block of the RGB. In the extracting process on the receiving side, the receiver extract the secret message from the stego image using MSHR GBT1 extract algorithm. Step 1 to step 6 to find edge pixel are similarly to those in the embedding algorithm. To extract the secret message bit use in modulus function on the stego image pixel. Secret message bit is equal to mod srij2 secret message bit. Similarly, we get the secret message bit and from in the binary form converted in ASCII format, and finally we get the secret message form in the readable form. In the experimental result in the present section, algorithm had been tested on the 5 color images, Mona, Rose, Parrot, Lena, and Baboon on the lab software to demonstrate the result. In this paper, both quantitative and qualitative parameters have been used to evaluate MSH algorithm. The mean square error and peak signal ratio were used to compare the cover and stego image quantitatively, and while the histogram are utilized for qualitative analysis to show the similarity between the cover and stego image. Mean square error are used to pixel difference between the cover and the stego image. Peaks, another parameter PSNR is used to measure the quality of the stego image. It works inversely proportional to the mean square error. This table represented the different mean square error and PSNR value of the different image. The experimental result shows that a lower MSE value corresponding to a higher stego image as shown in table 3. For example, when the message length is low, the PSNR value of hormona is 71.332, which decreased to 68.796 when the message length is increased. Similarly, the MSE value increased from 0.0048 to 0.0086 for the same image as the message length increase. While embedding the secret message in the cover image, the pixel intensity must be least significant that change are undetectable. This the histogram shows the distribution of the pixel intensity for RGB channel. These are the different now we compare the edge deduction obtained from this algorithm with the traditional operator Prewitt, Sobel, Canny and log operator. Applying these algorithm, we shows that many more edge pixel as compared to these traditional operators. This aim to enhance the performance of the image steganography through this algorithm. The result underscore algorithm ability to maintain high quality stego image even with increased message length and simplicity in edge reduction compared to the traditional method. The importance of this study in this its potential to significantly increase the embedding. Now we conclude the paper. Sending the information through digital media has increased rapidly. Image steganography play a big role in keeping the data secure while sending information. In this study, we explored the LSB MSH Edge RGB T1 algorithm for image steganography, demonstrating its effectiveness, robustness, and flexibility in maintaining image quality while securely embedding data. The evaluation of the algorithm yields high PSNR value and low MSE value. Overall, the MSE algorithm stand a valuable contribution to development of the secure and efficient data hiding method, while broad implication for the research, communicating, and practical application. In the future work, the work can be extended to implement fuzzy type 2 logic to identify the edge pixel and other interesting feature of an image. Payload capacity can be improved by increasing the number of the bits per edge pixel.